Curious do sa itlog. Pupuntahan namin yung itlog.
Welcome to Museo del Galleon.
Ayan o. Kabubukas pa. Fresh pa yung ano. Yung bulaklak. Good morning.
The Museo del Galleon at the SM Mall of Asia is basically a modern museum focused on the Philippines' maritime history, especially the famous Manila, Acapulco galleon trade.
Libre ako.
Ha?
Libre ako kasi. Yes. Ay, thank you. Mother's Day eh. Mother na ako eh.
Really? Wow. Ako lang magbabayad.
Thank you.
So, bawal yung may selfie stick. Sabi kasing haba ng ruler.
Color lang.
Hindi, ganito lang siya pwede.
It's fine.
Yan ang may free fan.
Voyage video.
So, it's a maritime museum. O, shoutout sa mga seaman. Pasyal kayo dito.
Ito na ba ako? Dito na ako.
Main highlight of the museum is a full-scale replica of a 17th century Spanish galleon ship called Espiritu Santo. It's huge, around 40 meters long and 30 meters high, and you can actually walk around it.
Thank you. Uy, makakasakay ako ng galleon ship. Kinikilabutan ako. Life-size galleon ship. It's a replica pero ano, no? It's amazing. Decent sale ito. Ayun, rather.
For sale.
For sale. Yan. Gun deck.
Ay, may hold.
Hold, yan. Foremast, yun. Captain's quarter. Continue. You did it! Ang galing ka, no? Officer's quarter. Pag silip mo, naging officer!
Ang liit. Nakasuffocate.
Asan ang kabina ni Kapitan? Ito siguro, dito. Hindi nga. Ay, yung company namin, no? Sponsor, Amusog, ETF. K-line. Oh, para sa mga seaman. Maritime Museum.